In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a specific window in Zoom Call. By the end, you'll be able to show exactly what you want, nothing more, nothing less. So your presentation stays focused and your other apps remain private. Start by opening your web browser and creating a new tab. In the search bar, type Zoom and press Enter. From the results, select the official Zoom website. This takes you to the home page where you can access your account and meetings. Next, sign in. Use your usual sign-in method so you can access your meetings and settings. Once you're logged in, look for the navigation menu and choose the web app. This opens Zoom directly in your browser, which is perfect if you don't want to install the desktop client or you're working on a managed device. Now, start a meeting. You can launch a new meeting to practice or use this process when your real call begins. At the bottom of your meeting window, you'll see the Zoom meeting controls. Click the green Share Screen button. This is where the magic happens. A sharing window will appear with several options. Instead of choosing your entire desktop, go to the section that shows your open application windows. You'll see thumbnails for apps like your browser, a slideshow, a document, or any other window you currently have open. Click the specific window you want to share. This keeps notifications, emails, and other content out of view, which is ideal for professionalism and privacy. If the content you're sharing includes sound, like a video or audio clip, make sure to check the box labeled Share Computer Sound. This ensures participants hear audio clearly through Zoom rather than through your microphone. Adjust your system volume beforehand so it's not too loud or too quiet for the audience. When you've selected the correct window and set your audio preference, click the blue Share button. Zoom now broadcasts only that chosen window to everyone on the call. Your cursor movements and any changes within that window will be visible. If you minimize the shared window, sharing may pause for participants, so keep it open and front and center while presenting. When you're finished, stop sharing by clicking the red Stop Share button. You'll find it on the meeting controls or at the top of your screen. That's it. Simple, precise, and secure. Thanks for watching. With these steps, you can confidently share exactly the right content every time you're on a Zoom call.